He rose from the ruins of a defeated empire. He promised greatness, delivered war, and left behind a world forever changed. This is the story of Adolf Hitler, one of history's infamous figure. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20, 1829 in Brunn in Austria. He grew up in a strict household under his father, Alois Hitler, and was close to his mother, Clara. Hitler was a poor student and dreamed of becoming an artist. Twice he applied to the Academy of Fine Art in Vienna, and both times he was rejected. In 1914, Hitler joined the German army during World War. He served as a messenger, was wounded twice, and earned the Iron Cross for bravery. But when Germany lost the war in 1918, Hitler was devastated. He blamed Jews, Marxists, and politicians for Germany defeat, planting the seed of his extreme ideology. After the war, Hitler joined a small nationalist party, the German Workers' Party. With fiery speeches and propaganda, he rose quickly. In 1920, it became the Nazi Party. In 1923, Hitler attempted a coup known as the Beer Hall Putsch. It failed and he was jailed. While in prison, he wrote Mein Kampf, laying out his vision of Aryan supremacy and hatred towards Jews. In 1933, amid economic crisis and political chaos, Hitler was appointed Chancellor of Germany. He quickly turned democracy into dictatorship. The Reichstag Enabling Act and secret policy all proves opposition. By 1934, after President Hindenburg's death, Hitler declared himself Führer, leader of Germany. Hitler began to expand Germany border. In 1939, Germany involved Poland, triggering World War. He conquered much of Europe, but his greatest crime was the Holocaust, the systematic murder of 6 million Jews and millions of others. Hitler's visions of a master race led to gas chamber, concentration camp, and unthinkable atrocity. As the tide turned, Hitler faced defeat. The Allies pushed from the west, the Soviets from the east. By April 1945, Berlin was surrounded. In his bunker, Adolf Hitler married Eva Braun, and just one day later, on April 13, 1945, he took his own life. Adolf Hitler left behind a legacy of destruction, genocide, and war. His actions caused the death of over 70 million people in World War. The world today remember his name not with honor but as a warning of what happens when hate, power and propaganda go unchecked. History remember Adolf Hitler not as a hero but as a tyrant. Let us never forget the lesson of his rise and fall, because those who forget the past are doomed to repeat. If you found this story informative, like, share and subscribe for more biography of history most powerful and most dangerous figures.